LibrarySearch is a great place to start your research on any topic. It is quick and easy to search and access a huge collection of books and journal articles available from the library. There are links to LibrarySearch on the student intranet, in your Learning Central modules, or on the Cardiff University website. To make sure you can access the library's online collections, please make sure you are signed into LibrarySearch. We are going to use this research question to share some tips on getting the best from LibrarySearch. To what extent have recent initiatives to increase the number of people travelling to work by bicycle been successful? Our first tip is to identify the key words in your research question or title, which you can use as your search terms. Avoid searching for whole sentences, as this will affect your search results. We'll start by searching for the terms bicycle, travel, work. This gives us a lot of results, and not all of them appear to be relevant. So we're going to try adding the word initiatives to our search to see if that can bring us more focused results. This search has brought back far fewer results, and they seem to be more relevant. Now let's change our keywords slightly. We'll change bicycle to cycle and travel work to commute. This time we have fewer results, but they are different from our previous search. This shows why you need to try a variety of keywords in different combinations to make sure you aren't missing important information. You can use the filters in the Tweak My Results section to further focus your search results. You can filter your search to articles only, or to those which are available online. This is handy if you're working off campus. This time we're going to use the subject filters. To see more information about an item, just click on its title. Here in the details section, you can read a description, which in this case is the abstract of the journal article. You can save useful items to your favourites by selecting the pin icon next to them. You can then view these in your My Favourites. Alternatively, you can email useful articles to yourself. To access the full text of online articles, just click the Download Article link. Or if there is no download article option, or you want to view an online book, click the full text available link instead. Then click on the link in the View Online area. For articles, look for the option to download the PDF. You can then read the abstract to decide if the article is relevant.